Welcome to the land of 1,000 lakes. Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Minnesota, where natural beauty meets fascinating history and quirky adventures. From the breathtaking shores of Lake Superior to the bustling Mall of America, and even some unexpected Viking treasures. There's something for everyone on this tour, so grab your sense of adventure, let's hit the road. Our journey starts at the iconic Mall of America in Bloomington. With over 500 stores, an indoor theme park, and even an aquarium, it's a one-stop wonderland that's just as much about experiences as it is about shopping. Next, we made our way to Minnehaha Falls, a stunning 53-foot waterfall tucked into the heart of the Twin Cities. The peaceful sound of the cascading water and the scenic trails around the park made it a perfect spot to connect with nature before heading north. Our journey continued at the Jay Cooke State Park, home to the historic swinging bridge. This dramatic suspension bridge sways gently over the roaring St. Louis River below, offering incredible views. It's an experience that combines adventure and beauty in one unforgettable stop. From there, we hit the North Shore to visit the iconic Split Rock Lighthouse, perched high above Lake Superior. Its storied past and breathtaking location make it one of Minnesota's most photographed spots. We also took in the views of Palisade Head, where sheer cliffs rise over 300 feet above the lake, giving us a sense of just how mighty Lake Superior really is. Just a short drive away, we find ourselves at Gooseberry Falls State Park, known for its series of cascading waterfalls and peaceful hiking trails. It's a perfect place to take in the serenity of the North Shore. Next, we arrive at Canal Park in downtown Duluth. This bustling area along the waterfront has something for everyone. Shops, restaurants, and of course the famous aerial lift bridge. We love soaking in the lively atmosphere while watching the ships navigate the harbor.
In the pale blue sky, floating on cloud nine. Do you feel the winds are turning round? 'Cause what goes up must always
From Duluth, we made our way to
come
Bemidji
back down.
to visit Paul Bunyan and his famous ox.
I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking out 2, 3, 4.
One of our favorite stops on this trip was in Detroit Lakes, where we met the whimsical Thomas Dambo trolls. These larger-than-life wooden sculptures are hidden amongst the trees, blending art and nature into an interactive treasure hunt. It was pure magic for the kid in all of us. We were lucky to find that Thomas Dambo made an Easter egg out of a golden rabbit made completely from recycled plastics. If you're out troll hunting in Detroit Lakes and you think you might be lost, look for the birdhouses and they'll always direct you in the right direction. Finally, we wrap up our tour at the Hemkomst Center in Moorhead, where history comes alive. We marveled at the Viking ship, a full-scale replica that actually sailed from Minnesota to Norway.
Always come back down. I'll be safe in your arms, like the light in the day never part. I'm looking down the line, with you by my side I'll be fine. Come back down to earth, it's just as good as up there. I'm gonna keep you near, 'cause you're all I need, my dear. Do you feel the winds are turning round? 'Cause what goes up must always come back down.
We also admired the beauty of the Hopperstad Stave Church replica, a nod to the region's Scandinavian heritage. Minnesota truly delivered on stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and an unforgettable experience. Next, we're off to Fargo, North Dakota. Stay tuned for what's ahead, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when we have new stuff come out.